Okay, today we're going to look at servers, and a server is a foundation that we're going to build upon. So it's just a servant that listens for somebody to give it commands, and it goes out and executes those commands for you. A lot of times when we're talking about a server, we're talking about the physical hardware. But we're more interested in the software. And there's many different types of servers. There's at the most basic level, there's a server operating system. Then this is your Windows 2000, Windows 2003, 2008, and so forth. The next layer up, you have web servers, and what we're interested in here is ASP.NET Development Server when we're in the development environment, and IIS, Internet Information Services, where we're in the production environment. When we're in Visual Studio, we're going to use ASP.NET Development Server, and when we're in production, we'll use IIS typically. File servers, an example of this is SQL Server, but there's also Oracle and so forth. There's FTP servers and network servers and all different kinds of servers. But basically what a server is, it's just something that sits there listening, waiting for somebody to give it a command, and then it goes out and performs that command. Return something to you. Typically listens at a socket or a port. Now we're going to start with the most basic type of server, the server operating system. The server operating systems reside in your Windows folder on your hard drive. And there's three groups that we'll consider. We're grouping them by what is the default install for IIS, what ASP.NET web server is related to these underlying operating systems for the default install. And Windows 2000 and XP start with IIS 5 as their default install. Windows 2003 and Vista start with IIS 6, and Windows 2008 and Windows 7 start with IIS 7 as the default install.